You are all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you how to cook perfect basmati rice. It will be fluffy and yummy. We are using 2 cups of rice. Just 2 cups of basmati rice is what we are cooking today. It's now time to wash it to take out the dust and starch out of it. Pour some cold water on it. Yes, always wash basmati rice with cold water, and you have to wash it gently. Don't apply pressure while you're washing it so that you will not break your rice. It has to be well rinsed. Like I've said, we are removing dust and starch out of it. You have to rinse until you have clear water. You can rinse up to 3 to 4 times and you are going to see the difference, definitely. But please remember, only with cold water. Today's shout out to be going to Uloaku Chinyere, watching from Nigeria. Thank you so much for liking our recipes. Please remember to leave a comment. You might be the next person on my shout out in my next video. Thank you. So you can see the water is now well clear and clean. It's now time to cook. Now get 4 cups of water, 2 cups of basmati rice. We are using 4 cups of cold water. All right, cold water. Now pour the rice into the cold water. Seasoning, I'm using only salt. Now cover and bring it to boil as quick as possible. When it is boiled, turn down your cooker and simmer for about 9 to 10 minutes. So let's check it out together. Do you love what you're seeing? Let's check it. Can you see how fluffy and perfect the rice is? You need to try this way of cooking basmati rice and you're going to love it. Then serve with your desired stew or soup. I'm going to rock this with fried stew. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.